Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue on Windows 10 or Windows 11 where you're unable to connect to this network. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, again exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Next command you want to type in is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word. Attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once you have that done, go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point. You may also want to consider restarting your router. So if you have a router accessible, you may want to just go ahead and walk over to it. And then if there's a reset button on the router itself, I recommend holding that down for at least 10 seconds and then give it a minute or so and then attempt to connect back to the Wi-Fi. And if you're still having an issue, we can just try and reset our network settings back to default. So you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby once our computer restarts in order to get back online. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into that workaround. So let's go ahead and work on that solution. So open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select network and internet. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. And then underneath More Settings, you want to select Network Reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes. And now go ahead and save and close out of any open programs and applications and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.